Hi everyone, and welcome to this course on creating an RC car with NodeMCU in iOS 11. My name is Jeffrey, and welcome to this course. Welcome on board. So in this course, we're going to be building an RC car from a few raw materials, ranging from this, like this car, big, and with other components that can be this small. Just a small chip. Now this RC car can do a lot of things, such as just driving around, forward, backward, left, right. It can also do obstacle avoidance with an ultrasonic sensor. Now, we also have some other things that we can do, such as it's controlled through Wi-Fi, which is great because being controlled through Wi-Fi means there's a very large range of where you can control it. Besides that, we're going to be also using a lot of tools. And along with those, we can put them together and create our RC car. Now, the bulk of our RC car is mainly going to be within this chip. It's called an ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip mounted onto a NodeMCU dev kit. Now, this is the Wi-Fi chip that's going to communicate between our phone, which we will write an app for, and the car. Now, this in turn connects to this small chip, which is called a motor driver, and those combined can drive the motors of this chassis. Now, throughout this course, you'll be learning a lot about components that will help you with building this car, but these components that I'm talking about can also be used for many other applications. So this Wi-Fi chip can be used for things like creating a smart weather station, or you can broadcast signals to all over the world. You can even make things like a news reader that displays NPR news. Now, I know I've talked about a lot, but in order to make this possible, we have to get in. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next video where we will be looking at all the needed components and installing the needed software. Bye!